Hey everybody, Ricky, Apple Valley Farm again, and out here finishing up a little sanding and working on some really cool pieces here. But you can see, I don't know if you can see the dust coming off or not, but yeah, they're pretty dusty. Lots of cracks and crevices on this, so that's a problem. And I don't have an air compressor here, so we're just running a small ship here, so we have to improvise. So I could either suck the sawdust off, which I don't really think works very well. I could blow it off, which gets really tiring after about 10 or 12 boards. I start getting kind of dizzy. So anyway, that's not working either. So the next best thing to me is a leaf blower. It's perfect. So I got this thing set up here. I'm gonna show you what I do. Don't tell anybody. And here you go. Plug your ears for a minute. Here we go. There we go. Dust free. That's how we do it. And when you're pinching a penny, right? Hey, thanks a lot. Have a good day. Go make something.